Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Curriculum Night virtually. This is Mrs. Ivers, and I am excited to work with your kids this year. This is a Nearpod slideshow that I'm going to go through very quickly. It is super easy to go through, so I will be as quick as I can. This is the CCSD frameworks. This is what we go by. We design, we instruct, we reflect, and we assess, and then we do it all over again. And we do a lot with that with all of the four uh, subjects. This is the components of reading. During our mini lessons, we talk about different types of reading skills. We have a word study. Usually we talk about grammar skills. During that time, we do read alouds, which I absolutely love to do. It's one of my favorite things with the kids. They get so involved with it, and it's funny because they say that they don't like to read, but then they were like, no, read one more chapter. So it's a lot of fun to get them excited about reading. We do a lot of guided reading during our small groups, and this year we do have Miss Kendrick, in our classroom with, she's a student teacher from KSU. And it was a little touch and go there just to see if we could have her there because of COVID. So we are very excited to be able to have her. She's doing a phenomenal job, and the kids absolutely adore her. So she's really helping out with the guided reading and learning different things, different techniques, and different strategies and ideas. So it's a very cool thing. They do independent reading. We have been building up our reading stamina, which is just getting them focused and not worry about anything else in the world but reading at that moment. And it is difficult. We actually went from 45 seconds to 2 minutes and 12 seconds today, which is, it is an improvement, but we still need to work on getting them really excited about, focusing on reading. And you can work on that at home as well. So, okay, so the components of writing, we have a mini lesson for writing, and right now we're working on entertainment to write. And let's see, we are independent writing. During our writing workshops, we have about a 40-minute block that we work on. We do the mini lesson and then they write. Right now they are working on a Disney Pixar fable story. They have fables and morals they've been working on, and now they're going to be able to create their own, and it will hopefully become a Disney Pixar, and then they will be able to share that. We'll share it with you, share it with the kids in the classroom, and that's why we also do the shared writing. Some kids don't like to share, and I don't make them share, but they can if they want to. We do the 3 genres of writing: narrative, opinion, and informative, and they already know that, so that's been instilled in them since kindergarten, which is awesome. And then we do reinforce spelling and grammar throughout reading and writing, and actually all the subjects that they work on. For math, we do a lot of iReady, and they can do iReady at home. They could also do Raz Plus at home. And I do have on Wednesdays a little challenge, and they are a contest. And whoever has the most minutes read or most minutes on iReady, they win 5 Dojo points. And the Dojo points are for the quarter reward party that we have at the end of each quarter. So they will be able to cash those in for the rewards party and for just some different types of rewards. But for math, we do a mini lesson. I don't know if your kids have told you yet, but they are working on division. It's unbelievable, and they didn't realize how easy it was. So it's pretty cool that they they are actually making the connection that multiplication and division are just kind of flip-flopped. So that was very exciting to see today, the light bulbs come on. They do a lot of independent practice with our help because Miss Kendrick is in there, so we do have an extra person, which is awesome. And then we do the small group teaching as well with their interactive notebooks and excuse me, and their regular workbooks. Units of study are on the other side, numbers and operations, fractions. We'll be learning measurement, geometry, data, multiplication, and division. For social studies, we are learning about maps and landforms right now. We did a cute little thing with Mr. and Mrs. Latitude and Longitude. That was a lot of fun. Native Americans is next. We're going to be working on that after our science unit. Excuse me. And then we have European explorers, colonial settlements, government, and then economics for social studies. For science, we have map skills. We're working on Georgia regions and habitats next. And we're going to be really diving into the Georgia regions and talking about the different animal and plant habitats and how they work in their environment. And then we'll be working on rocks, minerals, and fossils, heat, energy, pollution, and conservation, and just realizing the science phenomena. They are always thinking like a scientist, and that's what we were starting out with, was telling them that everything is you're able to think about how to be a scientist and understanding and asking questions and trying to figure things out. So they are scientists at heart. We are a STEM school, so we do have a STEM curriculum. We do use the engineering design loop for pretty much everything, and even writing included. And we do lots of different real life applications with the engineering design loop and the RCD. Sorry, I have a tickle in my throat. And then with grading, we grade in all subject areas. This is the first year that they do get grades in third grade. And they get a report card every 9 weeks. Make sure you can check Canvas for your weekly student progress. Oh, sorry. And then the grades they're just like we normally would have the grades, and everything's at a 100. So this was a time to climb that we worked on, and there were a couple of questions on here. Let me see if I can get to that. I don't think I can because I don't have anybody on there, but some of the questions were can we work on iReady at home? And that's definitely yes. Can you bring a water bottle to school? And that's definitely a yes, because the water fountains are closed. So that's the only way they can get a drink is throw in the water bottle. They have the water bottle fountain one that is working correctly. Another question was, who do I contact when I need to have a transportation change before 1:30 during the same day? And that would be Miss Ann King from the front office. Let me see. Oh, how many minutes should I read a night? It's 15 to 20 minutes a night. And I can't think of the other question. They were kind of silly. Things that you would probably already know. And this was where you guys could ask questions. But if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I am always an email away, and I will email you back within 24 hours. I have my email on my phone and on my computer, so I check it quite often. And I want to make sure that I'm here for you, and if you need anything, you can definitely let me know. And I look forward to an awesome year. Thank you so much.